SHRM is involved in a pretty significant lawsuit going on, brought by a former employee of SHRM. She worked as a senior instructional designer, and she sued SHRM back in 2022 for race and color discrimination and retaliation. She specifically said that her supervisors, quote unquote, systematically favored white employees, and that after she complained internally, she faced retaliation, including being excluded from meetings, and then eventually she was fired. This case is pending out in Colorado in federal court, and the case is going to trial. They're fighting over whether evidence of SHRM's quote-unquote expertise in HR can be excluded as evidence during trial.
Now, I had heard, and I'm only seeing some things that have been posted in the media, that SHRM is actually trying to say that they cannot be held accountable as an organization of expertise in HR.
That's right. That's what SHRM is trying to argue.
Okay, just on the surface of that, to me, not being a lawyer, that seems ridiculous. That's exactly what they are.
I have not read any of the briefing yet, but probably what would be filed is it's what's called a motion in limine to limit the evidence. And my hunch is that SHRM is arguing that evidence of their HR expertise should be excluded so that they're not held to a heightened standard compared to other employers.
Yeah,
that would be my.
And I might accept that.
Yeah.
I might accept that all employers are held to the same standard.
Right.
Regardless of your practice. And as a reminder, join us for the 39th annual Payroll Tax and Fringe Benefit Update happening in December, but register now